Huwag natin kalimutan yung calling natin that we were called by God also to proclaim the gospel of good news, the gospel of salvation through Jesus Christ. The Word became flesh. The Word became a human being. The Word was incarnate. No? Ibig sabihin, may katawan siya, katulad ng physical, but He is God Himself. Kaya nga, meron tayong teaching that Jesus Christ is God, no? And Jesus Christ is man. 100% human being, 100% God. Okay? Yun ang character niya. But He is the second person of the Trinity. In His earthly ministry, for 3.5 years, at the age of 33, doon siya namatay, but muling nabuhay, at bumalik sa Ama. Okay? Bumalik sa langit. What we are waiting for now is the second coming, yung kanyang pagbabalik, yung kanyang pangako sa lahat ng mananampalataya. But while we are waiting for His second coming, what should the church or the believers do? Okay? Ang sabi sa Hebrews, in the beginning, God was talking through His prophets. He was talking to the people. But now, through His Son, siya ang nagsasalita na. And all the power, dahil lahat naman ng mga nilalang o ginawa sa lahat ng nakikita at hindi nakikita, it was made through Him and by Him and for Him, through Jesus Christ. Kung may nangyayaring gera man between Israel, US, and Iran, ang sabi ng Bible, it is God who permits these things to happen. Okay? Inaalaw niya. And Jesus Christ, through His Word, pwede niyang patigilin ang gera, pwede niyang extend ang gera through His Word. Pero wala pa. Diba? Meaning to say, pag huminto na, meron ng desisyon doon sa taas. Sinabi ni Jesus Christ, stop. Pistok, meron tawag doon? Ceasefire. O, parang ganon. Okay? So everything that is happening in the world, now whether gera man yan o calamity yan, it is by the word of Jesus Christ only ang pwedeng magpatigil yan. Now, as a church, we continue to worship God. We continue to live and serve God. But we should not forget, in katulad ni John the Baptist, we should continue to testify about the Lord Jesus Christ, about His grace and truth. Natin kalimutan yung calling natin that we were called by God also to proclaim the gospel of good news, the gospel of salvation through Jesus Christ.